Hey everyone, I'm Karan and welcome back in Tequps. I hope you all are good. And today we will discuss very important tool which can change our official life as well as personal life and can help us in many ways. And we will discuss all the ways in the today's video. So please keep watching my video and please like and subscribe this channel so it will motivate me to upload more videos like this. So we all are in 2023 and ChatGPT is now available for everyone for free of course, and we can use it by visiting openai.com. So let's talk about its benefits. So for an student can help it by preparing their projects, writing contents, because it is very fast, and it's a self-learned module which can help us to write any content. So let's make it easy. We will take another example to understand its direct benefit to a person. So if a person want to visit any city like New York City and he want to check the best 5 hotels available in the New York City. So if he will Google it, then he will get lots of delays and he need to scroll down lots of. So in this case, ChatGPT is helpful. We will just write best 5 hotels in New York City and it will give us the best 5 hotels with their characteristics, hospitality and other benefits. So we will choose it by our preferences. And the best thing of ChatGPT is it is working on the natural language. So if we provide any input, so it is producing the result on the real time, not just copying from the Google and pasting in the our result. As you can see in our result, it's taking input from us and producing the result in real time, and its processing is also very fast. You can get the result in some seconds. So ChatGPT is currently in its starting phase. So in future, it is also capable to produce the image as per our requirement. For example, if we want to see any image like we want to see the sun talking to the moon, so we just write it and it will also produce the image in the real time. So and ChatGPT is improving itself by our feedback. Currently, ChatGPT can answer our queries in text form, but in future, definitely it can answer our queries in multimedia and other format also. So that's all. I hope I have cleared the basic functionality of the ChatGPT and how we can use it and how we can get advantage from this tool. And if you want to access this tool, you can just visit the openai.com and check it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel to motivate me. Thank you.